this is specifically for those that are doing copy trading in the Puprime app. Okay, hello, welcome to Boost Magnet. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw money from the Puprime copy trading account. Okay, now this is specifically for those that are doing copy trading in the Puprime app. Okay, so we are going to be logging in via the website. All right, so for you to log in via the website, of course you log into your Puprime account via your Chrome browser or any other browser that you are using to log into your account. Okay, so as usual, you come and tap on this green button right here. Okay, so you tap on it. Okay, you tap on it this way, and then you click on copy trading. Okay, so you click on copy trading. All right, as you click on copy trading, you can see discover, you see copier, so you click on copier. Okay, so you click on copier, allow it to load. Now as you click on copier, remember that it is recommended that every day you make profit, withdraw your profit and allow the trading capital to continue working for you. Okay, this is one of the ways that you can manage your passive income that is coming, okay, from the copy trading. All right, so be that as it may, so once you have logged into this page, then you come right down here and click details. Okay, let's click on the details. Now once the details shows up, okay, what you do next is to just tap on this manage. Okay, as you tap on the manage, click on that manage, you can see what has come out: add funds, remove funds, pause copy trading, stop copy. So you have to stop copying before you can remove any money from your copy trading account. Okay, so you click on stop copying. All right, now you confirm stop copy, you confirm. All right, as you confirm that, the copied position is being closed, please check later. The copied position is being closed, please check later. So you click OK. All right, you click OK. Very well. Now once you have done this, obviously there's no longer open positions. All right, the money has just landed in your account. So what you will do now is to go to where you have your account. Okay, so you come right here and then you log back to your main account, okay, to the dashboard. So you just go back, okay, and then once you go back, then you can now see that the money is right in your account. You can see the money is already there. You click on account. As you can see, the money is back up into your account, okay, because you've stopped copying. Immediately you stop copying, the money returns back automatically. Wait for it to load. As it loads, you are going to see where your copy trading account is. You can see this is the copy trading account, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, and I was using $300 to trade. As you can see, this is 31,951. Okay, so I'm going to transfer 1,951 cents. Okay, that's about $19. All right, so what you do next is click on funds, okay, because you need to transfer the profit. Okay, you click on fund. It's best to do this when the expert trader has stopped trading, okay, and that's why it is done at the end of the day. Okay, whenever you see that the expert trader has stopped trading, or you stop the trading, or you stop the copying by yourself, all right, the way I have just done right now, because this is just to show you how it is done. So immediately you click on the funds. Now you click on transfer between accounts. Okay, now choose where the money is. All right, 31,000 plus, this is the account where the money is. Then you choose where that money you want the money to go to. Okay, so right here I will click select. Now let me select this free account, this one. Okay, I'll select this account and then I'll put 1951. Okay, yeah, that is about $19 plus. Okay, so that is it. Then you click on submit, guys. Click on submit. Okay, so immediately you click on submit. Voila, submitted successfully. Now when you go back, you see that the money is already gone. Okay, the money is right there. Then you click on the account again. Now once you click on account, you see that the profit you just withdrawn now has left the main copy trading account. Okay, so click on account and see that for yourself. You can see it right here. You can see the copy trading account. You can see it. Okay, it's now 30,000. look at the one you just removed. You can see the profit you just removed right here, okay, about $19, okay, and that is it. That is it, guys. That is it. Okay, so now what you do now is you go back and connect this account again. Okay, once you have logged into your account, make sure you're on the home page, okay, just like this. Now the next thing you are going to do is to click on this green head and shoulder that you are seeing right here at the top left side of the screen. Okay, you click on it, and then remember that before you do this, you would have funded your account. You would have set up your cent account, your copy trading cent account, and all of that. Okay, now you will now click on copy trading, then you click on discover because you want to go and then check out the expert trader that you want to be copying. Okay, so right here what you do is you click on profit link. Okay, click on profit link and then search. Okay, so you search that profit link, search for it. Okay, just search for it, let it go. Yeah, this is it. Now once it appears, you can see this is the profit link FX, the expert trader you are going to be copying. Then you click on it. Okay, so immediately you click on it, allow it to load. Remember, your account would have been funded at this point. Okay, so now you click on copy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you click on copy. All right, so immediately you click on copy. Right now you come here. Okay, now the first thing you do is to activate and put the money that is right there. Just remove this 20,000 that is on default, okay, and add the money that you showing in your balance. Okay, this is 30,000, that is $300. Okay, so now you scroll down, look at this place, you have 65. Just put 50 right there because that is your stop loss. Okay, if anything happens during the trading, half of your money will be retained. Okay, that's why you are putting this stop loss for yourself. All right, very important. Okay, because to everything that there is profit, there is also loss, so your risk level must be maintained here. So 50% is our risk level at that point. That's why we're putting 50% stop loss there. Okay, so now look at this. Okay, check this button so that it will become deactivated. Okay, that lot roundup, click on it to deactivate it. Click the next one to deactivate it as well. Okay, once you are done with this, okay, just check out and make sure that everything is in order. Then you go right here and click on submit. Okay, yeah, click on submit. Immediately click on submit, click OK. Submitted successfully, then you click OK. Wow, that is it, guys. You are done, submitted, and your account will automatically be connected via the Puprime app. As you can see right now, this is right connected to the expert traders account. This is where you will see your profit and loss situations right here. Okay, this is just the place where your trading is occurring. Okay, now if you are viewing this from a laptop or a desktop, okay, you will be seeing different trades that will be going on, but on mobile like this is how it will appear. Okay, so what happens is by the time any trade is triggered, you'll be seeing either profit right here. Okay, and then you begin to see how the trade is going at a particular time. All right, so this is very, very important to note that you will not see this trade in your MT5 side because this is right inside the Puprime app. Okay, so that is what it is. Okay, so guys, this is really amazing, and enjoy the trading while it lasts, and remember to always take profit maybe every day or every 2 days, or depending on what you want to do. Okay, some people will take profit every week, some every 2 weeks, some every day. Okay, so guys, it's up to you. Whatever you want to do is up to you. Okay, so this is just how to activate your account. This account is now activated, and note that once your account is trading, you would not see this money again in the dashboard. Okay, except you stop copying this trade. Okay, so guys, that is it. I will see you in my next video. Cheers, and don't forget to like and share this video so that everyone else will do what? Everyone else will benefit from it. Okay, so reach out to whoever that I've shared this video with you. Okay, and then if you are not yet registered, register using that person's registration link,